Girl. Now, did you follow my directions for the recipe for the alcohol, the steak, and the vegetables? Now, girl, you can let that sit in the refrigerator, or you can even let that sit in the microwave, girl, and make sure when you go to cook it, put it in the microwave and get ready to set the table, girl. And light the candles. So, girl, go ahead and get dressed. Not so attractive and look like you just rolled out a fucking bed and set the fucking table and make sure you only set the dinner for fucking one and make sure you light 2 black candles and when you're cooking it up in the motherfucking microwave, baby, make sure you give him his favorite dipping sauce. As he fucking cuts up the steak and motherfucking eats it and talks about how it ain't fucking good, how he's slobbing down on the fucking cauliflower. He starts to fucking choke and he says, the food is cold, so you go over and put the plate back in the microwave and you tell him to make sure he uses extra salt on this potato that you made. And you don't really know the fucking salt is fucking bleach and ammonia crystals in the fucking salt. So burn up the cheek, nigga and girl. Make sure when he gets fucking parched and he's so fucking thirsty, slide in the fucking crystal, baby, and give him a crystal mug, cause you know he don't drink out of glasses that are meant for the fucking shit. Give him the bottle and kick him out, cause girl, by tomorrow at this time, touch me baby, you're contagious, give me what you got. Touch me baby, you're contagious, give me what you got. It's what you'll be telling him when he's lying up in the hospital and he's fucking dying. His organs is dying. So just to remember, cook with fucking bleach and ammonia, and that's what you get for fucking with a hood rat in recovery, baby. I hope you like that dinner. You over here, hair falling out, fucking all skinny, no, losing your color. It was that good old bleach and ammonia meal I fixed for you, baby. Bon appetit.